Mastering verbs. Regular and irregular uncovered. Hello there, language learners. Today, we'll be diving into the world of verbs. Specifically, we'll be focusing on regular and irregular verbs. Understanding these can truly make a difference in your English fluency. Let's jump right in. Firstly, it's important to understand what regular and irregular verbs are. Regular verbs are verbs that follow a predictable pattern when changing from present to past tense. The past tense and the past participle of regular verbs end in ed. An example would be play, which becomes played in the past tense. On the other hand, irregular verbs don't follow these regular patterns. They change in a variety of ways and there are no specific rules. For instance, go becomes went in the past tense. Let's explore some examples of regular verbs. Walk. In the past tense, we say, I walked to the store. Talk. In the past tense, it's, she talked to her friend. Jump. In the past tense, it turns into, the cat jumped off the table. As you can see, all these verbs simply take an ed at the end to denote the past tense. Now, let's take a look at some irregular verbs. Eat. The past tense of eat is ate, as in, I ate an apple for breakfast. Sing. In the past tense, it becomes, sang, like, she sang a beautiful song. Write. In the past tense, it is, wrote. For example, they wrote a letter. As you can see, these verbs don't follow the ed ending rule. They change in their own unique ways. With irregular verbs, it's often a matter of memorization. However, there are some groups of irregular verbs that follow similar patterns, like begin, began, begun, and ring, rang, rung. You can group these similar verbs together while learning, which can make the process a bit easier. Remember, practice is key. And that's it for today's lesson on regular and irregular verbs. As you can see, understanding these two types of verbs and knowing how to use them will greatly improve your command of the English language. Keep practicing, and you'll master them in no time. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!